Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Indian-style burritos at home. We will begin by understanding the fundamental components that make this fusion dish so unique and satisfying. You will learn to blend aromatic Indian spices with familiar burrito elements, creating a truly memorable meal. This guide will help you craft a versatile dish perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful twist on a classic. Now, let's dive into creating the heart of your Indian-style burrito, the flavorful filling. You can choose from a variety of proteins, perhaps tender paneer, hearty chickpeas, or perfectly seasoned chicken. We will infuse these with a vibrant blend of Indian spices, including warm cumin, earthy turmeric, fragrant coriander, and a pinch of garam masala. Don't forget to add fresh vegetables like bell peppers and onions for delightful crunch and added nutrition. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to master the art of wrapping. First, gently warm your chosen flatbread, whether it's a large flour tortilla or a soft naan, to make it pliable. Next, spread a thin, even layer of your favorite chutney or a cooling yogurt sauce across the center. Then, carefully arrange about 1 cup of your flavorful filling, leaving approximately 2 inches clear on the sides, before folding it tightly for a perfect, secure burrito. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Indian-style burritos. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are warm and fresh. Consider pairing your burrito with a refreshing side of raita, a sweet mango chutney, or a fiery green chili sauce for an extra kick. Remember, this recipe is incredibly versatile, so feel free to experiment with various flatbreads and filling combinations to discover your own perfect Indian-style burrito creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.